How to look at calculator history. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check your calculator's history. Calculators also keep a log of your recent calculations, which you can easily access by following these steps. First of all, you need to open your device calculator, and in this page, here you need to find the history icon. This may be different depending on the Android model. Here in my case, I can see the clock icon right here, and when I click on it, it will show all of my previous calculations. This feature allows you to quickly review and verify previous calculations without having to redo them. Both the Android and iOS calculator apps have the history feature. Now you can either clear the history or click on it to view it. So by following these steps, you can easily check your calculator history. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.